Ratna.
Ramchandra, I have a lengthy question. You talked about development in the nation.
All lengthy questions will have a short answer.
All right, never mind, never mind. You said you talked about development. BJP is for development. First of all, what you also excluded confidence that you will form the next government. Revanth Reddy says he will form the next government under him, and that the real architect of Telangana is Sonia Gandhi and Manmohan Singh. When you're talking about development, the Cockroach Party has been formed because there was disillusionment among the Gen Z. What is your take on that? And when you're talking about SIR, Prashant Bhushan had said that the Supreme Court verdict upholding SIR is a slur on democracy. It's a blot on democracy. And it is equivalent to that ADH in Jabalpur during emergency.
Let him respond to those two.
1 minute.
We'll all
Let me
forget
just
the
complete.
points.
He will not. Another question is, you talked about informing the next government in Telangana, but where is the grassroots level leadership that BJP should be making it strong? So these are my questions in Telangana.
Already strong. We have 8 MLAs, 8 MPs, so there is no question of stronger. You need not have any six-pack leaders here. No? It's okay. No, I want one thing. Cockroach Party under Cockroach Party, these are all urban Naxals and people like Arvind Kejriwal, they are developing, they are encouraging this thing. Nothing to worry. People in India, they carry hit 20, hit cockroaches can be killed with hits, nothing to worry. Quick 20 or hit 20, whatever it may be. Gen Z is with Indian ethos. Gen Z is with Indian legacies and Indian history. And they will not fall into the trap of those people who are being funded by George Soros and others. Don't worry about it. And as far as the Supreme Court's ruling was there on SIR, see, actually, in democracy, you have freedom of expression, you can have freedom of speech and all. But as far as Supreme Court is concerned, it is the highest court of the law, highest law judgment is given from their body. So any comment on them will definitely attract contempt of court. If you have anything, you can go for review on their judgment. SIR as such is not a procedure adopted by this government. SIR తీసుకొచ్చింది BJP ప్రభుత్వం కాదు. As Election Commission of India,